What's up, my bonsai friends? Are you thinking about starting with bonsai? Today I'll give you 3 tips on how to start with your first bonsai. Tip number 1: get a bonsai tree. That's actually the most important part in doing bonsai. You have to have trees, and in fact, don't get just one tree, get multiple trees. So to really get going with your hobby, you need multiple trees to work with, and not only to work with but also to appreciate. It's very different looking in real life to a tree than into a video what you're doing right now. So it is a three-dimensional art form, so you need to get your hands on a tree, and you don't need to get like a already made bonsai tree. You can go to any garden center, get a tree that you like or a species that you think, oh, this could be nice, and then start making bonsai. I made a video on how you can start making your own tree with a small amount of money, especially if you don't have green fingers. Getting a tree that's on just a regular nursery really will help you get used to it. Starting with just taking care of it, that will be very nice. Before I get into tip number 2, my name is Rodrigo Lima, great passion for bonsai, and if you like this type of content, subscribe and like for more. So tip number 2, get a few bonsai books. I have these 2 here as an example, but get your information not only from videos of YouTube or from subscriptions, and go and buy yourself a nice book or borrow from a friend or from a library. I have this here, the classic bonsai of Japan. I often go through it. Also this one, this is one, the complete handbook of Harry Thompson, and you have like a complete book with on taking care of your tree, wiring, pot, cut the branches, make shadi. Like a very quick guide when you're practicing on your tree. You can go through it. I really recommend if you're starting to get 1 or 2 books. My last and final tip for you is get in touch with other bonsai enthusiasts. Go to a bonsai club nearby if you don't have it. Of course, you can comment also on my videos if you have any questions, and other people. Get in touch with people that are close to you in your area who are also interested in bonsai. I have a WhatsApp group with some friends that are interested in bonsai. We often share ideas and ask questions to one another, and that really give another dimension to your hobby. And we go to meetings, member of the Bonsai Association, and it's also very nice if you go to a real bonsai show, get a feeling on how far you can get your trees to it, and there you also meet people who are very interested in this amazing art, and this way more and more people will get to know bonsai more, and you will also get inspired from others, and they can share their struggles. And the nicest thing is to get in your area, because then you know you have more or less the same problems. So these are my 3 tips if you are starting with bonsai. Like and follow for more. I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.